I'm going to go over your revision quiz then. So you can rewatch this video anytime and make sure you are fully prepared for your assessment. First question, packet of crisps weighs 40 grams. In a special offer pack, you get an additional 10%. First thing we want to find is 10% of the 40 grams. Percent means out of 100. Whenever you see that percent sign, you divide by 100. So we're doing 10 divided by 100 times 40, which is 4. That's how much extra you get. We want to know how many grams are in the packet. So we add it on and we get 44 grams. Because you're doing it on middle, no units, just type your answer 44 in. Okay, question 2. 6 people in a band split all their earnings equally. One time they were paid £386. We want to divide that by the 6 people. Helps if you turn your calculator on when you want to type a sum in. Type that into your calculator, you get 64.33333333. The 3's continue forever. We are dealing with money, so you want 2 decimal places. You want 64.33. Question 3. 170 trains were scheduled to depart from Glasgow. 3/5 were cancelled. How many trains went ahead? So we want 3/5 of 170. To find 3/5, we divide by the bottom times by the top. That comes out as 102. That's how many were cancelled. I want to know how many went ahead. Let's take away the 102 and we get 68 trains went ahead. Okay, next question. Recipe for a cake contained the ingredients, 90 grams of butters and so on. This serves 12 people. We want one that just serves 8 people. We're looking at the amount of butter. So then butter right now is 90 grams. That would be for 12 people. So to work out how much it would be for one person, I divide it by 12. So 90 divided by 12 gives me 7.5. I want to know how many it is for 8 people. So I need to times that by 8. So that would be 60 grams. But again, no units, just the 60 into the box in the middle quiz. Okay, the average then. To find the average, we need to add up the numbers and divide by how many numbers we've got. So we want to start by doing 8, add 6, add 12, add 4, add, that's not 5, add 15. That's better, so that'd be 20, 35, 45. We've got 5 numbers, so we want to divide by 5. So my average temperature would be 9. Oh, I was going to put units in there. Don't want any units in our middle quiz answer, just 9. To hire a Lana driver car would charge £28 per day and 10p per mile. So this one's for 2 days. So I need to times 2 by 28, which is 56. It's 10 pence per mile, and 10 pence is 0.10 pounds, which gets it into the same units. That's for 87 miles. That's £8.70. Add them together and we get £64.70. Again, no pound sign, just the numbers into our answer. The graphical section then, how many students had a birthday in April? Here's April here, it's exactly halfway between 2 and 3. Halfway between 2 and 3 would be 3. Halfway between 2 and 3, can't speak properly, halfway between 2 and 4 would be 3. Same graph, this time I want to know how many people had birthdays in January, February and March. So January would be 3, February is 4, March is 2, add them together. We get 9 people altogether. Last one, we want to know which one is missing. We can just go through and tick them off. Key, we've got a key, so we've got that one. Title, got a title, so I've got that one. Vertical axis title, vertical's up and down the way, I've got that one. Horizontal axis title I don't have, so it must be that one. It's the one that's missing. Okay. Any issues, please get in touch.